Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cleo here. Alright. Today guys, I'm gonna make some pepper shrimp. Okay? Some pepper shrimp here guys. I'm using some Cajun seasoning, some Old Bay. I'm using Grace fish seasoning, a little paprika, a little ginger, a little Maggi all-purpose, and 2 seeds of pimento. Don't have to if you don't want to. And of course you have to use like a pepper. It will be pepper shrimp without pepper, right? Depending on your spice tolerance, guys. See, I'm wearing gloves. And in pepper, guys. This is no joke. Handle pepper, then you scratch somewhere you're not supposed to scratch or touch. You know, I'll go on this up. Okay. Guys, I'm not trying to put the seeds in, okay? Because the seeds is where the heat is. And you might be wondering, oh Lord, why is she using so much pepper? I like spice, and it's pepper shrimp, so that will be spicy. Like I said, guys, depending on your spice tolerance, then you can cut down. And I'm using red. If you notice, I'm using red Scotch bonnet because I'm gonna blend it up. I want it to have that red color. I really don't like the food coloring, you know, on it. That's just my preference. Not saying I don't use it. Sometimes if I have to, but I don't like too much of it. I have a cousin, St. Elizabeth, and I used to see how we cook fish shrimp. I never seen him use any food coloring in it. And I'm also doing some red bell peppers too. I'm gonna blend these guys. Okay. If you want to use red food coloring, you can. Trying to avoid touching this thing. Even the gloves. So guys, you know this is one of Jamaican's street food, right? Yeah man. That's something we always buy when we're pitney, you know, man. And not even pitney. You know, younger girl growing up, when you're pitney, I'm not access to buy them something. You know, younger girl that grow up, man, every time you see pepper shrimp, one of our street food thing, man. I mean, I tell you, say, when they drop the pepper on something, you know, man, you know. I'm putting in some paprika in it. And I'm also blending 2 grains of, well, it's actually more than 2, it's about 4 garlic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay guys, so this is what I do. Got some water on it. Mix that around. And I'll be right back. Guys, I'm just gonna blend this up. Guys, this is the color I achieved with the red bell peppers and the red pepper. Didn't put any food color. Oops! Didn't put any food coloring, guys. This is how it looks. Okay, so right there. You know, guys. Hey. That's it, me up. Pepper, brother. So I'm seasoning my shrimp here, guys. And get some of that excess water. I'll wash it. some Aldi. Some of the ginger powder. I'm going to use seafood season for this, guys. Just going to add a little Maggi all purpose, because if you guys know me, you know much I love my Maggi, right? Not advertising, but it's the truth. As I go along the cooking, I don't know if I need any salt in it. I'm not marinating this, guys. I'm just going to go right ahead and cook it. 1 yellow pepper sheet. Okay. Green scallion, my white onion, and eve of my red one. Shrimp in. And guys, these don't have any head. See? They're headless. And I wanted it like that. I do not like to see the head on the shrimp. Honestly, that's just me. Feel free to use it in your own kitchen. Okay? When I was in Jamaica running my little business, I used to cook that for the men to come and drink on the weekend. I used to cook get and roast bread, food, yam and dumplings, what kind of something there, you know, but I don't like head of anything. Guys, you know that shrimp don't take long to cook, but because it's in the shell still, you know, it kind of protects it a little, so I'm going to cook it a little longer than usual. So this is my timing. I'm going to put my mixture in. Guys, I did not put any food coloring in this. None. Add in black pepper. Pepper, pepper. Alright, I just blend all red peppers. That's you see what I did? I didn't do anything off camera. I blend my red Scotch bonnet and my red bell peppers. That's what I do to get this color. All red pepper. If you want to go ahead and use the food coloring, you can do it. Feel free to. I just really don't like it really. I'm not knocking red food coloring because I use it, depends on what I'm doing. But I just don't want it in this. I want to see guys see that you can achieve some redness without using the food coloring, okay? Put in some salt, guys. Oh, Rastaja. Pepper. It smell good, this man. Cheese. Nah, lie, man, this smell good. And like I said, you guys, you don't have to use so much pepper. If you don't have the tolerance for it, please do not use so much. As you see this goodness here, wow. It looks beautiful, it smells cool, and it tastes good. Pepper kick. Nah, that it tastes good and it smells good. Guys, if you like what I'm doing here, give me a thumbs up, please. And if you haven't subscribed as yet, I'm asking you please to subscribe to my channel. If you like what you see. Doesn't cost anything to subscribe, guys. Please share, comment. Share. Like you share Sunday dinner. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for all my new subscribers, and thank you for all those who were with me from the beginning. I do appreciate each and every one of you. Everyone. The newbies and the oldies. Yeah, man. I've done this done. The whole land store. Yep, man. This is so pretty. Whew. Turn off this one. Look at this, guys. Look at this. No food coloring, no ketchup, no nothing. Just my red peppers, red bell peppers, and my red scotch bonnet. I eat that, look. I eat that star. Try this up. Try this up. Yeah. So you guys see how I decorated my plates. Okay. There it is, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for joining me today on my cooking journey. Shrimp, my pepper shrimp from my kitchen to yours. Hope you guys enjoy it. Taste this one here. This is bad. This bad, guys. You not like it, yeah, guys. Pepper shrimp. Looks so good, right? Thank you all for watching.